let's talk about AI. The software is good, but some people like to pretend that AI is the smartest thing in the world that can just simply take over an entire YouTube channel. I'm talking about Kwebbelkop. In this video, I am going to prove that anybody, including you, can do exactly what Kwebbelkop is doing for free and within a couple of minutes. But before I show you that proof, let's analyze what Kwebbelkop is doing. About 3 months ago, Kwebbelkop came back to YouTube and introduced a cartoon version of himself.
I'm not sure if we'll actually regenerate, but let's just do it.
I don't even know what he's saying, but the response was very, very bad. There are thousands of comments hating on this video and hating his new character.
The literal only motivating factor is easy money.
So what did he do? He introduced
A new AI.
Of course, he introduced it with a clickbaity video called The End of Kwebbelkop AI, where you see him, the real person, speaking straight into the camera.
11 years ago, I started my YouTube journey. My one and only goal was to entertain as many people as possible.
In this video, he basically explains that the cartoon version didn't really work out.
That's why we decided to train a brand new Kwebbelkop 2.0 model. Every second you've been watching of this video so far has been completely AI generated.
Yup, you heard it right. The end of Kwebbelkop AI means that he basically introduced a new AI which looks slightly better. And he claims that the entire production process is done by AI. There's no script writing, there's no voice acting, there are no editors, there's no designers, and apparently no one that even uploads the video. Is that possible with AI? Now, in case you've been living under a rock, let me tell you what AI really is. According to Wikipedia, artificial intelligence. Intelligence of machines or software. It's basically a computer brain that can look at things and understand it, process it, and react. Is that what Kwebbelkop is doing though? Or is he just using simple software that anybody can use? Now, I don't really care about all of this, but I wanted to do some research. I was curious. So I spent 5 minutes on Google trying to find how I can create my own AI avatar. And then I found this website. It's called HeyGen. But before I show you all of that, make sure you subscribe because this is a brand new channel of mine, Jelly 2.0. Here I'll upload everything except for AI. Oh, and except for gaming things, because I got another channel for that, in case you didn't know. No camera, no crew, no problem. Create videos from text in minutes with AI-generated avatars and voices. Now, this video is not sponsored by this company, all right? So the way this software works is it basically has to learn from you, from a video that you made yourself. So I sat down behind my camera and I recorded a 2-minute video talking to the camera. Hi. My name is Jelly, and welcome to my brand new channel. All I gotta do is sit here and record a 2-minute clip. This software is using my voice and video and kind of generating, I don't know, a template profile for me to use text and speech later on. First, I recorded a 2-minute video that the AI could learn from. And then I asked ChatGPT to write me a script for that video. And in case you came from my main YouTube channel, that was the video you saw. You see, I've created this AI to expose something that needs to be brought to light. You might have heard of my friend Kwebbelkop. It was generated by AI. So why would Kwebbelkop not use this software? It's for free. And arguably, it's much better than his. I'm gonna show you something. I uploaded a gaming video and let AI translate it into Spanish. And it's not just a dubbed video, no. It also fixed the lip syncing issue, making the viewers think that I am actually speaking Spanish. That's right, video translate, drop to upload, threw my video in there. I just clicked on Spanish. You can also translate it to French,
Hindi, Italian, German, Polish, Portuguese, Mandarin.
Oh my God, so many languages. And well, this was the result.
Automóvil que debería ser un poco más pesado. Este es un sedán, también es un poco viejo.
I have no idea what I'm saying. Like literally, I don't even speak Spanish.
No espero que lo haga muy bien. Recuerda que el último alcanzó alrededor de 130 mph. Este podría ir un poco más rápido.
Muy rápido. I know that that means very quick. Now, isn't this crazy? But I feel like if you're gonna use AI, this is the right way to use AI. Like, for example, Mr. Beast has different audio tracks available, and you can listen to him speaking Spanish.
Detrás de mí están los autos más caros de...
But here's the thing. That's an actual Spanish voice actor that he had to pay money, and it's not cheap. Plus, his lips aren't even moving with the sound because is just a dubbed video. So I feel like if you're gonna use AI, use it in a way that can expand your brand and not replace your brand. Like, hypothetically, I could start a Jelly Espanol channel and upload gaming videos in Spanish and nobody would even realize. Now let's go back to the whole Kwebbelkop thing. We now understand how he's creating these AI videos. Well, let's talk about the script. In my video, I use ChatGPT, but that's not what he's doing. No, in the end of Kwebbelkop AI video, the voice you hear is himself. It was not done by AI. I'm saying that because you can clearly hear the difference.
A group of people who disliked everything AI stands for.
And then listen to this.
Virus, you'll stay away from me. I don't want to die. I think if I stay on top of this,
That sounds very, very different. The quality is vastly different, and more importantly, the accent. Now, what Kwebbelkop has done, he's hired a voice actor and thrown it into a voice cloning software. Hayton can do this as well. You can go to voice and upload your own voice, and then simply let somebody else record a line, throw it into the generator, and the AI, voice crack, will make it sound like Kwebbelkop was saying those words. The voice cloning AI simply learned how his voice sounds and tries to make the new guy sound the same. And in fact, I think the new guy's Tiger. In case you don't know him, I recorded the podcast with him.
That just rubbed him off really, really wrong.
You rubbed him off?
Yeah, no.
He used to work for Kwebbelkop and probably still does. So what about the gameplay? Is the gameplay AI? No, of course not. The voice actor is playing the game, aka Tiger. There's no such thing as AI being able to play Roblox. Like, come on. And in case there was, there's no such thing as making it look good for a YouTube video. There's simply no AI that can react to YouTube clips or react to video games. That doesn't exist. So I hope that's enough evidence for the fact that his voice is not done by AI.
The Kwebbelkop you're seeing on the screen right now is not really me.
But it was you speaking, just saying. So what about editing? Every single YouTube video, unless it's being uploaded uncut, has been edited in a piece of software. Now there are AI editing software, but they can't really fully understand the video. What AI editing software can do is cut out empty spaces. And with an empty space, I mean empty spaces in audio lines. If I'm quiet for 1 second, the AI will learn that I was quiet and will cut that out. Now, Kwebbelkop actually acknowledged that his videos are not being edited by AI in a tweet. However, he does say that he's expecting this to be the thing in another 6 to 9 months. So I guess we're gonna have to keep a close eye on that. What about designers? Every single YouTuber has a designer, unless they're designing themselves. Designers make thumbnails or other pieces of material for each channel. Now, I've actually used AI for thumbnails before. You can basically ask a generator to create you a certain image. It's not that difficult. I actually A/B tested an AI thumbnail of mine against a human-made thumbnail, and the results showed that the human-made thumbnail performed better, which is funny. You'd think the AI one would do better, wouldn't you? But the CTR was better on the human one. This one was generated by AI, except for the face cam. That one we added in ourselves. Now, Kwebbelkop is actually claiming that his thumbnails are made by AI, and he's saying that he's gonna pause development on Kwebbelkop AI to build an AI thumbnail maker for creators out there. But why bother, bro? It exists already. Here you can see Kwebbelkop sharing his YouTuber AI thumbnail, which is a Bugatti monster truck. And then this guy replies saying, it's made completely free on Bing. Like, literally nobody ever uses Bing, which is basically a search engine from Microsoft. But I can do the exact same thing. Bugatti with monster truck wheels, but it's all green. And there you go, it literally looks like his thumbnail, but then green. It's way too easy. Now it's time for the conclusion. AI is scary, but Kwebbelkop is not. He's claiming that his entire channel is AI generated, and then he's got this master brain machine developed by 100 employees that frankly doesn't exist. AI software is accessible for everyone, but not everyone will succeed using it. You'll only succeed using it if you know how to. And well, Kwebbelkop, I'm sorry to say, but you don't.